I'm going to do everything possible to get back on the line in Detroit. Now, that is part of the quote from Eli Tomac, but an update from his injury. If you missed it in Tampa, I don't know where you were, what you were doing, but coming up to a jump, he dabbed his foot, and it looked like it just something happened to his ankle, his knee, whatever it was. You see it right here, coming out of the corner, puts his foot down once, perfectly fine. Face the jump, puts it down again, and you can see right there, catches, one jump, two jump, and he immediately pulls off, pulls to the side of the track, and is just, already talking to the Alpine Stars team, limping off into the tunnel, and it did not look good. I mean, if you watch the main event to the main race, he looked slow. By the end of the race, he was 15th, 16th, something like that. And you can basically pretty much tell he was just rolling around, just trying to salvage anything he could out of the race. And there he is, right after he, pulled off, holding his leg, head back. You can tell he's in pain, and it did not look great. I mean, especially after Jet Lawrence went down, you figured Tomac could probably be a guy who benefited from it. But in the race, you can see right here, his leg comes off the pegs, and he just leaves it off, whether that's painful or whatnot. Going in the corner, doesn't even put it down. And that could be a style thing, or it could just be his leg really, really hurt and he didn't want to be, putting any contact to the ground with it. It just sucks. The whole quote was, "It was a tough day in Tampa. I caught my leg underneath the foot peg on a jump during qualifying and sprained the top of my ankle and bruised my lower leg. I'm going to do everything possible to get back on the line in Detroit." And you can see here, this is before the main, obviously with a really bad qualifying, and he had a horrible gate pick, but I mean, limping, this does not look good. This does not look comfortable. He does not look okay here. And for him to, salvage any points out of this race was probably good. Hopefully, it is just what it is, he says. Hopefully, it is just an ankle sprain and a really bad bruise on the back of his calf. I mean, that's the best we can hope for, probably. If he has to miss, any time of his I don't want to say farewell tour, but that's basically what this year is. It's last year racing. You don't want to see him go out injured. You don't want to see um anything like that. It's just going to be a negative for the year and for the racing in general. Team manager Rich Simmons also said, quote, "I'll start with the elephant in the room. It was an unfortunate night for Eli. It was just a freak accident with him getting his foot caught between the foot peg and the ground during qualifying. He was really sore and bruised, and he did the best he could to manage a points night." So hopefully it is. Hopefully it's just a sprained ankle. Not that that's a great thing, obviously, but it's it could be much worse. We're talking Achilles injuries, obviously that's the same leg. Uh, any sort of muscle tear or tendon damage or anything like that. So knock on wood, it is just a sprained ankle. It's just a bad bruise. It's a one night thing where he was super sore and he can take 2 or 3 days off this week. Let it rest, and hopefully coming into, like he says, coming into Detroit, he can be on the line. He can be fast and competitive, and try and make up some points here. If he can take advantage, I don't want to say take advantage because it's not the right way I want to put it, but um, if he can use the Jet Lawrence going down thing as a way to maybe win a title this year. I mean, it's going to be pretty close with everybody in it. Chase Sexton and first at 101. As it sits right now, Eli Tomac is fifth at 80, so he's already 21 points down. Um, Not exactly a great thing, but we'll see where this goes. I mean, hopefully he can, like I said, come back, be healthy, race the rest of the year, not have to worry about injury or whatever's going on. But that's where I leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. What do you think of the track? What do you think of the lappers? What do you think of whatever it is? Uh, but Malcolm Stewart winning, there's a big thing. Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.